On January 24, the 2025 Letin Mengo Pro was officially launched. The new car only offers one model, the 220 Basic Edition, and it is priced at 53,900 yuan. In terms of appearance, the Letin Mengo Pro has smooth lines and a simple and square shape. The tiger tooth-style black lower grille at the front is particularly eye-catching, adding a sporty feel to the car. They are connected in form, creating a strong sense of visual unity. On the side of the body, the two-tone body forms a floating roof style, adding a stylish atmosphere to the car. The split waistline and simple four-spoke wheel design make the overall appearance of the car more stylish. At the rear of the car, the smoked taillights are connected to the black upholstery, creating a sense of unity and extending the horizontal visual width. At the same time, the small-sized spoiler also adds some sportiness to the rear of the car. In addition, the new car offers two different contrast color combinations, grass green plus cloud white and bright pink plus cloud white, and meets the personalization needs of consumers. In terms of size, the length, width and height are 3,620 by 1,610 by 1,525 mm, and the wheelbase reaches 2,440 mm. As a microcar, this size has some advantages among cars of the same level, providing passengers with a relatively large driving space. Whether sitting in the front or back row, passengers can have a comfortable sitting position without feeling cramped in terms of head and leg space. In terms of interior, it continues the simple and practical design style. The center console is equipped with a 9-inch touchscreen with a rear-view image function. The double-spoke steering wheel is comfortable to hold, and a push-button type electronic gear shift mechanism. The seats are made of fabric, which is comfortable to sit on and easy to clean and maintain. The front floor features a top-to-bottom design that provides ample storage space for the driver to store daily items. In terms of power, it is equipped with a single rear-mounted motor with a maximum power of 25 kilowatts, 34 horsepower, and a peak torque of 105 Nm. In terms of battery life, the new vehicle is equipped with a 17.97 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery provided by Guoxian. Under CLTC conditions, the range can reach 201 kilometers, and it takes 10 hours to fully charge.